You hear a lot about probiotics nowadays. A lot of people take probiotics. In some cases that's good, in some cases it's not going to help much. Probiotics are microorganisms that people take and it gets in their intestines and populates their colon with the good kind of bacteria, like the lactobacillus, for example. There are lots of different kinds of probiotics, and in general, people that are healthy and are having no gastrointestinal symptoms don't need them. However, if you've had a lot of diarrhea, or let's say you have a lot of gas, either from the upper end or the lower end, or let's say you just have a lot of bloating and feel bad, probiotics may help you. Don't get the expensive brand name stuff over the counter, get the cheap stuff. Yogurt may work sometimes, but generally the probiotics that are over the counter are more concentrated than the yogurt. And it does repopulate your colon with the right bacteria and can help you with everything from gaseousness to diarrhea. That's a crowd pleaser. Go ahead and take it, it might help you.